I'm Samyak and welcome to my channel Scratchpad. And today I'm going to create a game called Among Us. And I'm very happy that you're subscribing my video and liking my video. That's why I'm creating this video Among Us. So let's start. So guys, what I'm going to do is first I'm going to name my project Among Us. There you go. And now let's delete our cat. I'm going to paint an Among Us here, but I have already a Among Us sprite in uploaded sprite. I'm going to go to the downloads, and there are many things here. And guys, what I'm going to show you is simple trick to create a Among Us, and that's why let's take a red color. And just creating an Among Us is not a fair version, but you can try. You can just try to create an Among Us like this and paint it red. Just creating a simple Among Us like this with whole color red and a light color on the skin. There you go. And now what we are going to do, we will set size our Among Us to 60 or 50 will be awesome. Yep. Let's write this sprite name Among Us red. So let's create a backdrop. I'm going to choose a backdrop and I'm first going to choose the boardwalk. Let's put this Among Us here. Well, in Among Us game there are total how many characters, to 4 to 10 characters, but I'm just creating a small video, not time. Just I'm going to duplicate it, go to costumes. In the arrow we have a block called flip horizontal. We flip horizontal it. Just color this blue for a simple technique. Just blue. And there you go. In the Among Us red, let's duplicate this and flip horizontal that. So now let's give our instructions. So when flag click, we'll take in motion. Sorry guys. Sorry, in control. We'll take it forever. Take 1 and 2 if thens. In sensing, we'll take 1. Let's add first left arrow, then another one right arrow. Let's duplicate these two, and now I'm going to put this in up arrow, this in right arrow. Much better. Now we need 2x and 2y. 2x in right arrow and left arrow, and 2y in up arrow and down arrow. Now let's add -10 to left arrow x and -10 in down arrow y. So now as we click, we can move our characters. Wow, you can see glides much awesomely. Does. Wow, you can see glides much awesomely. But as you can see, as we move left, it needs to be switch costume to 2 and right arrow switch costume to 1. So let's play and play game. Wow, see that when we are facing left, it goes left, and when we are facing right, it goes right. Now let's go and create the red Among Us is the imposter, and let him kill the blue. So now let's go to motion and go to X. Now let's set our position. Now it's in 92 and -81. Go to events, when flag it, and then We'll go to control and array wait, sorry, in if then statement, sensing if touching Among Us red, then go to costumes and duplicate into three parts, or you can just add one part. So in the second part, I'm going to take an array in eraser, set size to 1000. It automatically goes to 100. Now we will chop a half here and take a white color. I'll set size to 50 and create a bone. Okay, so now if touching, then it will switch costume to, and in the starting, it will switch costume to 1. So let's play. But as you can see, our Among Us is just working. But when we touch the blue, it doesn't work because we didn't give him order to go foreverly. Okay, so now when we click on this, it gets killed. Let's get a sound. So done. So now let's go to the sounds. Then play sound recording 1. So that's much better. Let's create a button of reporting. So I'm just creating a simple button that asks you to report that the dead body is have fallen here. Like actually I can't see the button and draw some lines here. Okay, so let's set size of button to 30. Okay, so now in events, when this right click, we'll go to sounds. We'll take a sound alert. A-L-E-R-T, alert. Okay, so let's go to code and then sounds. Play sound alert until done. Until done. Then in Among Us, let's go to costumes and let's go to this costume. Duplicate that and we will write at the top imposter. Okay, so now imposter. In the top part in looks, we will switch costume to 1 and then in sprite 1 it will play sound alert. So now we'll take a broadcast message, a new message, imposter. Let's go to Among Us and take the when I receive imposter, it will switch costume to 3. And now I'm not going to take the alert, should take the alert because in the starting position it happens. Then let's create another backdrop, the sea, yep, the blue sky here. Let's design the blue sky. I'm going to text in paint red color, m boss. Let's add a 30 10 version. Yes. Imposter. Go to this, delete this, and in the backdrops, switch backdrop to blue sky 2, not blue sky 2, boardwalk when we start the game. So now when we will click on this, it will send imposter. So costume to 2, will switch backdrop to blue sky 2. And in Among Us, some backdrops may hide, some sprites hide when we switch backdrops. There's a block in events when backdrop switches to the personal backdrop. It will hide, and when it will show when backdrop switches to boardwalk, it will show. I'm going to put this all these codes here. Put all these codes. Yep, much better. Yeah. So let's see. Can now play a game of imposter. Now reported imposter. There you go. Now we have created a new project. Thank you for watching.